Today we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a 3-ingredient ice cream. You got your condensed milk, 14-ounce can, by the way. We got some vanilla extract. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put in there to add a little spice to it. We're going to put some almond in it. Oh, the whipping cream. 2 cups. Let's see what we got here. We're going to start off and we're going to put 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract into our mixing bowl. You're going to want to do this with a mixer, something you can whip it with real good, unless you got some fast hands. 1 teaspoon. All right. We're going to put maybe about half a teaspoon of the almond. You ever have one of them, it was a Good Humor truck that would come by and they had those like Toastums that would be on there and stuff, and they had the strawberry, different flavors and stuff like that, but this is going to kind of taste a little bit similar to the almond one. But from that point over there, now we measure off and we go with 2 cups your good old-fashioned heavy whipping cream. 2 cups. All right. Now make sure this is extra cold, if you can anyway. I take it for about 10-15 minutes and put it in the freezer before I go ahead and start whipping it up anyway, if I can, if I remember. All right. 1 cup. See, that's good form. Make sure your form is good. Two cups. I got 2. Not 1, 2. 2 cups of whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. I just went ahead and got it from Aldi, so I don't need anything fancy. All right. See this contraption over here? You have a KitchenAid anyway, it makes it kind of easy, but any type of a good stand mixer, this is going to help us whip it. But I'll go ahead and I'll light this thing up for about maybe 4 or 5 minutes is what I'm guessing. Get some bubbles in there. And then we'll go ahead and we'll crank it up a little bit. See if this one's got a Henry in it. And now we got some bubbles in for just a little bit. Let's go ahead and see what we got. I don't want them getting hurt. What we're trying to accomplish, you want to whip it up into a cream. You want to get it stiff, so that way when we take it, you can actually take the bowl, turn it upside down, and it won't come out. That's about the consistency you want of it. And you don't want to over whip it because we'll end up whipping it back down to where it does come out. So I'll bring the bowl up to you here in a minute and show you kind of what's going on. I'd check this thing, but I got a feeling I'd make a mess and my wife would get upset. It's starting to form up a little bit though. I don't know if you guys are counting in minutes. It's coming. I got it on high. Yeah. I'm seeing some whipping cream. Oh, drop that sucker down. What do you think of that? Yeah. Whipping cream. Okay. Now, we take our condensed milk, 14-ounce can. I think we got this from Aldi's too. It's just whatever it is, Baker's Corner. It wasn't much, right? Where they get you is they bend you over with their whipping cream. So make sure you make it within the time date too, because I got in trouble with my wife for leaving some in the fridge and it expired. Well, let's dump that whole can in there. You know, what do you think of them apples? Get it all the good stuff. Yep. This is going to thicken that stuff up a little bit. Check it out. I think I got most of it. Oh, we got to put our goodies in. Check this out, guys. So we're going to add a couple of these here wee things. That's one of my favorite little candies, but they come in bites too. Check it out. But you add as much as you'd like to. I'm just going to put a little sprinkle up on top, you know. Do my thing, you know, mix my poison. All right, but now all you do is you take it and you mix in the condensed milk with the whipped cream. And like I said, if you can too, if you can think about it, and remember to do this stuff, right? It's always, shoot, I forgot. But if you can, take your bowl here too and put that in the fridge or freezer. And kind of make everything as cold as you can, because when you're whipping it together and putting it together like this here, you want it to stay in a whipped form. When it gets warm, it's like melted ice cream. So the colder it is when you put it together, the better. I don't know if, I'm over here working and stuff. You couldn't even see what I was doing. I'm sure the back of my head looks great, but the ice cream looks better maybe. All right. So we got everything all kind of mixed together here pretty nice. Don't want to over whip it, right? Use a little bit of muscle, but not all of it. All right, so like I said, you saw how I whipped that thing, right? It's still not coming off of there. Do a little razzle dazzle over here, otherwise you could have put it into your ice cream. But just in case the wife gets around the corner, we gotta have it somewhat clean. We don't want to alarm her and even let her know we're making ice cream, because this is for us, right? All right. When do you guys try this? This is like the Mac Daddy. It does. Nice and soft. It's easy. 3 ingredients. Well, I added 4, right? Because I put the almond in there too, so I cheated a little bit. But basically, your extracts, condensed milk, whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, and whip it. Oh, I just got some on the floor. Now I'm in trouble. Hold on, take it easy. Okay. I get carried away here. Let's see what happens. I got that in there. Oh, we're about to make it a mess. Oh, get every bit of it over. I'm that guy that makes noise when I finish my ice cream in the store. Like a milkshake. I will slurp that stuff. I don't care. It's like the best of it, isn't it? So we want to make sure we get the bottom of this too. But let me show you another little trick. Now we want to take this and we want to kind of level it off. Okay, I know you're talking to the back of my head a lot. I'm into this camera thing. But check this out. Just wiggle it and jiggle it, right? Get it going, get it going, get it going. Get it going. All right. Put that down there. I didn't mean to freak any of you guys out. Doctor told me to get exercise. So now, the top of that, anyway, because there's a gap from here to here, right? Can you see that over there? Gap from here to here. We want to kind of cover that up and make sure we don't get like crystals up on top of this stuff. So we're going to take our Magic Dagic plastic wrap, and we're just going to kind of put it down over the top of this. Nice and good form. Okay. But kind of cover the top of it, right? Now we got a beauty. We got a beauty. All right, take it now. Cover it. Stick it in the second fridge over here. I don't think it'll be found over there, but yeah. hopefully you guys, this helped you guys out. If you want to make fun of me, you can, but just try it, eat it, laugh at me while you enjoy the ice cream, okay? Wishing everybody a great day, a good night's sleep, and enjoy.